Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to build a Ferrari LaFerrari in Minecraft. First, gather your materials, focusing on black concrete, red concrete, and various glass blocks. Begin by laying down a base of black concrete, creating a rectangle that is 5 blocks wide and 15 blocks long. This forms the chassis. Next, carefully outline the wheel arches using additional black concrete, ensuring they are positioned correctly for the car's sleek profile. This initial structure is crucial for the overall design. Now, let's move on to the iconic bodywork. Use red concrete to build up the main structure, carefully shaping the curves and lines of the LaFerrari. Pay close attention to the front and rear sections to capture its distinctive look. Integrate black glass blocks for the windshield and side windows, ensuring a smooth, aerodynamic appearance. Don't forget to add smaller details like the side mirrors and exhaust pipes using black blocks to enhance realism. For the interior, keep it simple yet effective. Use black and gray wool blocks to create seats and a steering wheel, giving the impression of a functional cockpit. Next, focus on the lighting. Place glowstone or sea lanterns for the headlights and taillights to ensure your LaFerrari shines brightly, even in the dark. Finally, craft custom wheels using black concrete for the tires and gray wool for the rims, completing the authentic look. Let's add some detail to the engine bay. Use a combination of gray and black blocks to create the illusion of an intricate engine, even if it's mostly for show. Take a moment to step back and review your entire build from all angles, ensuring symmetry and accurate proportions. Make any necessary adjustments to perfect your masterpiece. And hey, while you're building, remember that life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.